Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Mr. Girish Ramdas and Mr. Vijay Radhakrishnan, our directors, Mr. Shrikant and myself, Agnita, are really happy to meet all of you this afternoon. So since the time is too short, I'll just start off with my presentation. Okay, looking at the screen, so what do we observe? In 2005, this is where, the screen speaks about two time frames, 2005 and 2013. 2005 was when Pope John Paul expired, and 2013 is when Pope Francis started off. So in the span of 8 years, in the picture above, we hardly find anybody holding a mobile or a laptop or an iPad to click pictures or to get connected with people. Wherein in 2013, what we hardly see a single person without a mobile or a smart device in their hand. In fact, the minute I entered this room, all I was observing is the behavior of everybody inside. Like these three lovely ladies onto their mobiles. There were few men who are on calls, few people onto their iPads, laptops and everything. So it all shows that we all want to stay connected and we are just addicted to this digital world. And that's the reason we Maxter are present here today. Okay, so to go quickly through some statistics, the publishing industry as such, or the publishing world or sector as such, comprises of 150 billion US dollars, out of which the magazine and book industry is at present at something around 10 billion, but we foresee it to be around 29 billion by 2016. And not to forget, the mobile advertising industry will reach 25 billion by 2016. The source for the statistics is as given below. Okay, so all said that, the most important thing when we talk about digital world is the device through which we want to get connected through. So as in the current scenario in 2014, we have witnessed that more than 1 billion smart devices, smartphones have been shipped. So in 2017, it's foreseen to be 2.25 billion smart devices, which includes your iPads, laptops, smartphones, whatever. So all that being said, let's go on to the current scenario, wherein everybody have moved to aggregation. For movies, to start off with music, all we look out for is iTunes, Pandora. For movies, we look on to Netflix, BigFlix, Vudu, Hulu. And for digital magazines, we just want it to be Amazon and Maxter. Okay, we started off at 2011. And in it's 2014 now. So in a span of 3 years, this is kind of a benchmark that we have achieved. We have 23 million global users, and we have 4,500 national and international magazine titles with us, and more than 1 lakh books that's available on the Maxter app. So all that you need is download the app for free, tap, read, enjoy. So what's Maxter? Maxter is a global digital newsstand and a magazine store. So all the needs of your magazine reading or your books reading, the only thing that should come to your mind is Maxter. So what is so special about Maxter is we make it available to the global audience is just one single click. All the publisher needs to do to us is give the PDF or the soft copy of his magazine and decide, make a decision in his mind that he wants to move digital. And the decision comes true within 60 minutes. So we make it available across different platforms like the Apple Newsstand, the Google Play. We have other platforms like the Kindle, Nook, Amazon App Store, and all other platforms which you are currently using. Okay, so what makes us special is the OreClick technology. So the OreClick technology is like one click, real time everywhere. So just upload the PDF, make a single click, and it's available across all platforms, and it's available across the 23 million global users who are currently with us. So when we all feel comfortable with reading on iPads and laptops and all that stuff, Maxter was thinking to capture this particular 1 billion smartphone or smart device users who use mobiles the most than the other smart devices as such. Even as I'm talking, I see a lot of people holding mobiles more than your iPads or your laptops. I mean, I know everybody is carrying one, but what is most easily accessible is your mobile phone. So we wanted to make small screen reading the most interactive and most interesting, and that's where Maxter was born. Okay, this should interest every one of you. There are certain things that digital, okay, it's not to interest based on how it looks, it is to interest on what it actually does. There are certain things that you can not even think on a print version. So this is a moving cover. So when you open this particular magazine on an iPad or your smartphone, all you can see is the magazine cover interacts. I mean, there's a lot of audios and videos that you can embed into the digital version, because more than getting new customers, I think retaining them is the biggest challenge. So once you can add interactivities like audios, videos and stuff, I think that it kindles the interest levels among the readers more. So there's no chance of people going out of the system. It's only going to be additions. I'm not able to do the next slide. So MacFly is the tool, or is the tool that Maxter uses, wherein it makes it so simple for the publisher when he wants to embed any audio or video file onto his digital magazine. So he can, it's all so simple that it just follows like a simple flowchart. Yeah, I think the laptop is just... Maybe he just wanted all of you to see it more.
It's heavy presentation.
So we just, we put a pause on the clock. Let's see if do you have a lot more? Or are you
no, just 2 or 3 more slides to tell what we look out in the future.
Is it frozen? You need to reboot or something? Okay, why don't we do something while that's happening? Maybe we can ask a few questions if there are questions around. I have one question which is not, which is a little obliquely related. Do you have a sense of what's your revenue ratio between Android and iOS?
Prashant, I will answer this question to you.
Yes, please.
It is primarily iOS. Almost 65 to 70% is iOS.
Okay.
And Android is growing, but Android is going to be the future.
So 65 to 70%
small
iOS.
form factors which we are working out, where even the publisher can, even with simple PDF, where he don't need to give an XML feed, where we ourselves can convert this PDF into an XML feed.
But in terms of registered users or downloads of the app, that would probably be more Android?
Right now it is, in terms of sales or in terms of this thing, it is mostly iOS.
Lovely. Okay, great. So while that's up, any other questions? Did I see a hand up? No.
Yep.
Sorry. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sorry, introduce myself. I'm representing AmericaGuide.com, career counselling website. My question is that on my phone, when I type in magazines into the search bar in the Play Store, I say 30 apps come up saying free app download, and then once you enter them, you have lots of options for the magazines. So how is this really that different from those?
To be very, can I just talk without the mic? I think I'm well audible.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So the thing is, most of the magazines which drop out once you type, magazine is a general term. So most of the times when you type magazine on an app store, every magazine that you see is almost powered by Maxter. Okay, so what we do basically is, once the magazine comes onto board, we create a free Apple newsstand app for them. So though the cover picture says about the magazine, the content is powered by Maxter. So here we are not trying to portray Maxter, we just want to make it simple for digital reading. And indirectly it will be Maxter which will be powering the content. Am I Have I answered you?
Yeah, and one more thing, is it, in terms of the global base, is it mainly in India or is it?
It's a global, it's a digital global newsstand. It's in New York.
So, do you want to just quickly run through the rest of your slides?
So,
Very quickly, please.
this is one, just as I was talking about the interactive front cover, this is another interactive advertisement that can be placed wherein I mean, I don't want to click because I'm just scared if the presentation is going to close off again. So, if you can see the color of the Canon keeps changing. Can you just notice? Can you just notice the camera? Okay, so this is an interactive advertisement, and this is about sampling and e-commerce, like drive traffic to your website because we connect everybody through everything. And as I said, the most important thing is retaining the interest in the customers than just trying and gathering more and more. So MacFly, I think, answers everything, and you can keep your customers or your readers up to date and keep them on the heel with all the interactive features that you add onto your digital magazine. So apart from what we are currently, apart from just creating the app, we have also gone ahead and done device embedding. And it's like an inbuilt app which comes with the new devices. We are just on talks with few of the device manufacturers. We have gone to giving free magazines onto airlines, libraries, colleges and universities. So we are just looking at different avenues to make it more predominant and make it available for each and every person in the globe. And we want to be short, we want to be the next YouTube for magazines. That's it. Thank you.
Lovely. Could you come over this side while they load the next presentation, please?
The next presentation is from procurementlearning.org by A.K. Kalesh Kumar, right?
Okay. So, meanwhile, questions for Magster? Do you have anything?
Yes. Yeah.
I had a question. So, the primary source of revenue is from subscription or micropayment or from the magazine, the publishers also pay, right? So
See, I'm sorry that I forgot to mention this point. We completely work on a zero upfront cost. So all that the publisher has to decide is, I want to go digital. Once he's done, I think Magster is the platform he has to look for. All the, all the initial upfront tasks of getting the magazine from a print to digital is done absolutely free from Magster. All we work on is a revenue sharing, a simple revenue sharing, which is like 50-50 between the publisher and the and Magster after the transaction platform cost. And the funding happened. We had a public funding. If I'm sorry, sir. We had a public funding. We had 2 series of funding. We are running the second series now.
No, my question was it do readers come in and actually take subscription, or is it micropayment? I want to read, this magazine today types, and if
basically this is subscription revenue which comes to the publisher.
they actually sign up for long term 1 year.
Yes, that's what. The user
Yeah, but
comes
you
and
can buy one-off copies.
one-off magazines and
So
See,
both works.
Yeah, it's absolutely you select what magazine you have to read, and we have the option of buying it certain magazines are on a weekly basis, certain are on a monthly. We have options like weekly, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and annual. So whichever subscription model suits you the best, you can buy.
One-off also you have?
Yeah, you can buy
one-off
one-off
also
copies
you
on all the newsstands,
Yeah.
But you said you want to be the YouTube. YouTube does not cost. So how is similar?
See, the thing is, I was not talking in respect to cost, I was talking in respect to popularity. So YouTube is popular when you think of music or you think of anything that you need with respect to videos. I think YouTube is the only destination you look at. So that is tense in which I was trying to tell. Nothing to do with cost, because I think the whole world works for money.
I think a closer analogy is Amazon with a Kindle with their free samples and all, because all the newsstands use a lot of free sampling of magazines.
In fact,
and
I just
that's a
wanted to
major.
even mention that there are a lot of magazines which are there available for free as well.
Right.
So it all depends, how, it's all in publisher's hand. If he wants to charge his magazine, he can charge it. Or if he wants to keep certain subscriptions for free, especially for few esteemed users, he can do that as well. It's completely flexible.
So if the publisher is not charging anything, so will he have to pay anything to Magster?
Nothing.
Any last question? No? Okay. So thanks very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. I mean,